we're seeing a lot of great reviews comparing the GoPro Hero 8 or even the Hero 7 to the Hero 9. What I wanted to do was compare the Hero 5 Black with the Hero 9. If you're like me, you've owned a Hero 5 for a long time and they've been such great cameras for so long, there's been no reason to upgrade. I've actually got the 9 mounted on a chest mount above the 5, so it gives a bit of a different perspective. Both are set up on 4K wide angle, but you can see that with the 9 it does have to do some cropping to achieve the stabilization, so that's going to affect the look of your video. I'll know to mount the camera differently and maybe aim it differently. I'll also put it on super wide to give a bigger picture, but what you can see here is the stabilization really makes the footage from the 9 much more enjoyable to watch. Let's look at a similar comparison with road biking footage. The 9 is a lot smoother, the color is richer and more vivid, and the horizon level is doing a great job of making this better to watch. Again, you'll see that the stabilization requires some cropping, so the image does appear zoomed. Here's where it gets a lot more interesting. At the stop sign, I swivel my head left, and the 9's horizon leveling and stabilization keeps the image steady and corrects beautifully. The next clip is a downhill run at 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour. It's a rough paved road. Both cameras handle the vibration well, but the 9 really looks better. And here's one more feature that isn't being talked about much, but it's a real game changer for me. We all know the 9 has roughly a 30% longer battery life, but I still don't want it running non-stop on long rides, or I'll go through 2 batteries or more. You can leave the 9 on and it passively records before you hit record. Imagine something happens in front of you and you missed it, but you have the camera set on Hindsight. You tell your camera to start recording and you've got 15 or 30 seconds of recording in the past. GoPro, start recording. That can be amazing if you have an epic spill. Deer runs out in front of you, or some shenanigans happen in front of your camera that you missed. The 9's got a lot of serious upgrades, but even with just these features alone, you can see how the 9 is worth every penny, and it'll take your footage to a new level if you're still using that Hero 5.